Structure of atom. This chapter is very important because it deals with the structure of the atom. We need to understand such a vast variety or diversity which is available in the nature is only because that the atomic structure of the different elements differ from one another. Once we are able to understand the structure, then we will be able to make out that how they are different from one another and how these small differences in their structure gives them such a diverse properties. So in order to understand our surroundings in a better way, in order to understand how the matter behaves differently in different conditions, we must understand this structure of atom very nicely. Now this study begins with understanding the nature of the subatomic particles or the particles which constitutes an atom. Once we know that what all are the particles which make them atom, then we will study that how these are arranged in the different atoms of the different elements. So first let us find out what all are the particles which make an atom. See, the atom is made up of certain particles which are called subatomic particles. As the name suggests, these are the particles which are smaller than the atom and they are the ones which makes the atoms. The subatomic particles includes mainly, this includes electrons, protons, and neutrons. Our syllabus sticks to only these three subatomic particles, else we know that we have been able to discover still smaller particles like quarks, pi mesons, etc. But we will limit our studies only up to these particles. Now these are the basic fundamental particles which are available in the atoms of any of the elements. And it is their number and the distribution which makes atoms of the one element different from the atoms of the other. Now you have to first understand how these particles were discovered and what all are their nature is.